Hey guys, look who's back. I am actually gonna give you guys an update. I know you guys haven't seen me in such a long time, but you guys have been hitting me up in the DM. Hey, Yana, we need you to go back to making makeup videos. And I'm listening, and so I'm back. So let's just begin, and then I'm gonna tell you guys what has happened throughout the years and why I've been off. I'm gonna grab a brow brush and then you're gonna sweep in the direction you want them to go into. Now if you guys aren't familiar on how I do my brows, I'm just gonna link it up here, somewhere here, there. Just check it out so that this video is not that long. So basically my routine stayed the same. It's just the things that I've updated, I'm gonna actually let you guys know. So for my brows, I now use CO Bigelow. Use that with the Dip Brow Pomade. I just blend the two, so I'm going to show you guys. I literally made it easy for myself and put a hole right in the center of it. I use this little teeny tiny brush. Ew, it's so dusty. I just go in, grab some, and if you have a lot, it's okay. You just put it on the back of your hand. Just like that. You put it in the back. And then with that being on the brush, just go in and dab it. Now if you have sparsy eyebrows like I do, I fill them out with my brow pencil and feather them out. Just little tiny strokes like hair. This takes patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your eyebrows won't be built in a minute either. My next trick for you guys is to carve out your brows. I want you to grab the foundation that you're using. In this case today, I'm using Makeup Forever Ultra HD. Grab your brush that you use to carve out your brows. I know sometimes you see people when they carve out their brows, you literally can see where they stopped and where they started. I don't want that to happen to you. I want it to look seamless. On the back of your hand, literally use the back of your hand like a plate. So you're gonna go in, you're gonna tap that, and now you're gonna carve out your brows. Just like that, you have a sharp brow. Do not hurt anybody with this. This is a weapon. Next, you're gonna apply your vitamin enriched face base. For those of you guys that used to watch me a long time ago, you guys know I am in love with this. Look at this, guys. I am so in love with this. Look how in love I am with this. It's almost gone. They don't let me out of here for this quarantine. I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself. We're gonna go right back to using the same foundation that we use by Makeup Forever, the Ultra HD. I'm gonna use my artist brush. It has seen better days. And I'm just gonna squirt them right on and applying this. So here's the story why I've been missing for a little while on YouTube. For a lot of while. So I moved to South Korea, as some of you guys know, some of you guys that still watched me while I was in South Korea. And then when I came back, I had to pay off my debt, so I had to get a regular job. And then while I was working, my spine decided, let's just strip her up a little bit. Let's make her life a little bit exciting. And decided to give me a herniated disc. I have two, not one. Two, I found out. Those of you guys that have been supporting me, true and true, all over these years, I'm so grateful for you. Thank you so much. You guys like push me. I've been getting your DMs. I'm like, if I don't start making videos again, they're gonna find where I live and they're literally gonna make me do these videos. So I'm back, guys. So here's another thing. I left my light kit in South Korea. I couldn't bring them back. It's too expensive to send stuff back from South Korea to the US. So I left it, and that left me with no light. So then I had to work, pay off my loan, and then I was able to save up to get this little bad boy right here. Hence, I'm back again, and I'm here to please you guys. I'm gonna be using Tan Latte by e.l.f. It's just a simple look. I just wanted to update you guys. I just wanted to do something quick for you guys, show you guys what I do. I know you guys have been going crazy about my work on Insta. So I use my finger sometimes. I love the heat, especially for this e.l.f., this particular e.l.f. concealer. I love the heat because it just makes it melt into the skin. So I just pat it down. For today, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier, and this is their translucent loose setting powder. I love this. This is the traveling size. You can get it bigger, but this is just enough for me. You guys know your girl always is living on a budget, so that's just the proper size for me. So the trick is, once you're setting your concealer, you have to look up and make sure you tug onto your skin, that you don't have any wrinkles appearing under your eye, because once you set it, exactly how you set it is exactly how it's gonna stay. So this is where the term comes from, beat your face, because you're beating the powder in and you want it to stay. So while we're still baking, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your e.l.f. concealer, and now you're gonna apply some to the tip of your finger, right? And then you're gonna apply it to your eyelids. Because this is gonna be a super easy look, we're not gonna make it any difficult. Because remember, my spine, I'm still healing. We are gonna go into Sugar Pill Pro palette, and I am gonna be using this color right here. So I just take it with my finger and dragging it down. I'm gonna apply that to my lids. Bahama Mama by the Bomb. Using our contour brush by Real Technique. By now, you guys already know I love Real Technique brushes. Going back into the Balm, and we're gonna go ahead where we cut our cheek in half. We're gonna go ahead and going in an upward motion, we're gonna apply our bronzer to define that line that we created. Now to make your nose pop, here's a trick. I use Too Faced Candlelight Glow. Let me show you guys. So the top looks like that, and then it looks like that, one of my favorites. I just go down the center with this finger right here, and I run a line softly down my nose. And when you take a picture, that just makes your nose pop. And then at this little point, I just squint, and I add a little highlighter. Boom, it just makes it pop. Next, we're gonna be using our Real Technique Duo Fiber Face Brush. If you have one that looks like this. And you are just gonna go ahead and sweep everything off. For highlighter today, OMG. Thank you so much to Makeup by Namiza. She got this for me for my birthday. First ever. Fenty. So this is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and it's the Diamond Bomb All Over Diamond Bomb Veil. And bam! Look at that. You're gonna see us from the sky with this. So using Sephora, and this is a Pro Flawless Airbrush. Looks like that, number 56. I'm gonna go ahead, generously, just take a generous amount. You know, it's a birthday present. Why skimp on it? And now you're gonna suck it in. And you're gonna apply, going back and forth. I know, this isn't Fenty Beauty Day, but it's turning out to be. So this is your Vivid Liquid Liner, and this is Banana Blaze. I'm gonna go ahead. I didn't plan this look out, guys. I'm just winging it. We're gonna go ahead and starting from the middle. You never wanna start from the beginning. You're gonna take it out. Even the brush is so good. From the back and bring it down. Fill it in. at that. This formula, guys, is to die for. I know I promised you guys it wasn't a, a review, but wow. Now you guys know I love my color, so we're going back again using Fenty Beauty, and this is Vivid Liquid Eyeliner. And what is the color? This is in Hottie Alert. For the final step, I'm going to be adding color to the lip, and I'm going to be using Kevin Aucoin, and this is Nicole. And there we have it, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me. As you guys can see, it just comes out of here and onto my canvas, and I hope you guys enjoy this. If you did, please subscribe, hit that bell so you never miss anything else that I put out. And for all of you guys that stayed till the end and you're new, welcome. I appreciate your time and I appreciate your visit. Bye.